Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into one of the simplest yet most essential things to know on WhatsApp: how to add someone to your contacts. If you've ever wanted to message a new friend, coworker, or client but weren't quite sure how to get started, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do step by step. Let's get right into it. First, grab your phone and open the WhatsApp app. Once it loads up, you'll see your existing conversations on the main screen. This is where all your chats live. But to add a new person, we need to take one quick step. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a little chat icon. Go ahead and tap it. From there, you'll get a few options, like starting a new chat or creating a group. For this tutorial, choose New Contact. Now, you'll see a form appear. This is where you'll enter the person's name and phone number. Type in their details carefully to make sure it's correct. The phone number should include the country code if the person is outside your region. Once everything looks good, simply tap Save. That's it, you've just added a new contact. WhatsApp will automatically sync the saved contact, and you'll see their name appear in your chat list. You can now start chatting with them instantly, send photos, voice messages, or even make video calls, all with a single tap. It's always a good idea to double-check that the contact you added appears in your WhatsApp list. If it doesn't show up right away, try refreshing the list or reopening the app. Sometimes it just needs a second to update. So to quickly recap, open WhatsApp, tap the chat icon, select New Contact, enter the name and number, hit Save, and you're done. And that's how easy it is to add someone to WhatsApp in just a few seconds. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.